Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at a COOFANDY short sleeve Henley shirt. All right, guys, if you're not familiar with Henley shirts, basically what it means is it's going to be pretty much a collarless shirt, and it has a small button down area right here in the front, and it's based out of a rowing team's uniform that started in England. So what we're going to do is open up the package, take out the shirt, and take a close look at what we actually have. So let's do that. So all you do, guys, is you're going to break the seal here, break the vacuum that is, and you're going to pull the unit out. Now, I'm going to just set this over out of my way, over here, and this is the actual shirt. Let's fold it out. Let's see what we look like. Now, you do have a lot of lineage on here, guys, and that is going to be because it has been folded and inside of the vacuum seal bag. Once you wash it, that should go away. Speaking of washing, this is going to be machine washable. Now, this collar is the short collar, but this is what's called a stand-up collar. It's made to actually stand up a little when we get it on. So we're going to try that in a minute. When we try it on, we're going to see how it actually works. Now, this shirt comes in 10 different colors, and it's going to be sized from small to 3X. Keep in mind that you're going to need to check your size and your color and make sure it's actually available when you order. Now, the material itself is 98% polyester and 2% spandex. And what that does is it allows a lot of stretchability, and it snaps back into place. It also makes for a very comfortable shirt. Now, the buttons are actually sewn on. Let's see how they feel. The buttons feel really good. They're tight. They're not loose. And that's something I always like to look for. Plus, COOFANDY gives you an extra button. So be sure you put that button in a safe place. Now, if we look underneath the arms, which is a very important area, they have it actually X-stitched, and they pulled the fabric up nice and tight and did a lot of double stitching through this area, which is usually going to be the spot that's going to rip out the soonest if you're moving around a lot, if the shirt's not made well. Now, you do have a stitch line going here, which is really nice. Let's see what it looks like inside. We can flip this over and you look, looks like a double stitching all through the inside, all the way around your seams. All right, guys, so what we're going to do next is we are going to go ahead and try the shirt on and see how it actually feels. First impression is that it is very comfortable. So just so you know or have a size comparison, I'm 6'3". I weigh about 270 pounds, kind of broad at the shoulders, a little more narrow at the waist. So to get my shoulders to work right in a shirt, I generally have to go to a 2 and 3X type shirt. This is a 3X. And when I do that, it usually looks like I'm wearing a dress. Well, this one is a little bit more tapered and tailored. It does not feel so, bad, but yet it feels very comfortable. The type material that it is, it allows it to actually drape and feel really good. And it has no weight pressures on my shoulders pulling, especially when I raise up my arms, move them around. If I do it from the back, you can see it does not really bunch. I can feel the fabric pull up, but yet, extremely comfortable as it's doing that. So this is the classic Henley collar. This one is made to stand up, and the classic Henley button down part, which is just partial in the middle. And this one obviously is the short sleeve version. You can get Henleys in long sleeve as well. So overall, guys, I think it's fantastic. And if I was going to rate it, I would give it 5 stars out of 5 because I think it feels great. I think it's made to last a long time. I love the fact I can just throw it in a machine and wash it and pull it out and be ready to rock and roll. So it's very low maintenance. So if you're looking for a good Henley shirt, do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one of these today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you on the next review.